Welcome to the Meritutor.ai video tutorial. In this video, we will cover all the main features present on Meritutor.ai, along with their use procedure. There are 5 main modules in Meritutor: Admin Module, Course Creator Module, Course Coordinator Module, Educator Module, and Student Module. The first 4 target the teaching process on different levels, where Admin is the topmost level. Then comes the Course Creator, Course Coordinators, and Educator, while Student Module target the learning process precisely. In this video, we will cover Student Module in detail. Let's start with Student Module. On logging into the Student Module, you will see a student dashboard consisting various information sections. This course section shows number of courses assigned to student, courses he has completed, newly assigned courses, and the total time spent consuming study materials. Below are announcements related to fees, guest lectures, or parent-teacher meetings. These announcements also get delivered to the student via email. Furthermore, you can view the student's learning patterns, including time spent on material and workbook practice. This can be filtered by month or custom range to track activity. Upon completion of quizzes, the system awards energy points to students. Accumulated points determine the reward level, such as Diamond, Emerald, or Ruby batches, to promote continuous learning. Recent courses provide quick links to where you left off, promoting continuity in learning. It's a shortcut to courses you studied in last 7 days. This is a leaderboard for comparison with batchmates based on progress, points, practice, quiz attempts, or batches achieved. The top challenging topics highlight areas where students have struggled and taken multiple attempts in topic quizzes, serving as a guide for concentration. The top strength topics section showcase topics highly rated by students who cleared the quizzes in one attempt. Next is courses. This section shows all the courses which are assigned to the student. Here, student is in 9th grade, so if you create a batch and keep on assigning courses to that batch, all the students in that batch will receive the same kind of courses. If any subject is new and recently assigned, it will have a new tag on it. The course will also have a certificate on top of it after completion of course material. On clicking any course, you will see the course details. For example, if I continue Mathematic, you will see all the course information here, including course progress, mastery points achieved, further details about the course, rating given by students, and overall score student acquired for each topic. Below, it has course content, which includes topics and subtopics. The course content is commonly known as course curriculum, which Course Creator has generated in the system itself. These are the mastery points the student acquired for each topic. Now let's go through one of the topic and subtopic content quickly. This is topic algebra, which has subtopic polynomials, linear equations, quadratic equations, and arithmetic progression. The overall course progression bar will appear here as well. Every subtopic will have a status icon that will show whether you have completed this subtopic or not. This tick mark shows that the student has completed the subtopic, including course content, practice workbook, and quiz. The overall topic mastery points will appear here. These donut pie charts show course and topic mastery points. Each subtopic has 3 sections that are concept learning, which includes study material, practice workbook, and subtopic quiz. After completing all 3 parts, the student will move to the next subtopic. The subtopic content looks like this. It has all the textual content, mathematical symbols. Course creators can add tables, graphs, pictures, and videos as per the requirement. Meritutor has an application player, so you can play video here itself, along with the management of screen size, speed, volume, and all other controls. If the teacher wants to attach any file with course material, they can also do it. The system supports all kinds of files such as Word, PDF, Excel, and PPT, and students can download these attachments in just a click and share them with others easily. Next, if the student has any doubt about the course content or needs more explanation, then he or she can use the Student AI chatbot and get answers instantly. All they have to do is select the part they didn't understand or want to know more about. An AI assistant icon will appear on the highlighted part. They just have to click on that AI assistant and it will open Student AI chatbot for them. It has some inbuilt prompt that students can use to get answers or clear their doubts, or they can add additional prompts by themselves as well. After going through the course content stored in Concept Learning section and clearing all doubts, you have to click on Mark as Completed to count this part as done. Then we have the practice workbook, where students have to complete a certain set of questions to progress with the given conditions. Last is the subtopic quiz, which is necessary to attempt and pass with the given condition to acquire mastery points and move forward in the course topic. This way, students have to cover all the subtopics tests to be eligible for topic test and complete all the topics along with test to be eligible for course test. After all these steps, the course will be marked as completed and the student will attain a certificate for that course. You have successfully completed the video tutorial of MeriTutor Student Module. If you have any queries or doubts, feel free to contact us. In the next video, you will learn to use Admin Module, which is a teacher backend of MeriTutor.ai.